Are you looking for safe, gentle remedies for your child's fever, cold, or cough? Let's explore how homeopathy can help naturally and effectively. Firstly, we talk about for fever. When your child has a sudden high fever, he or she become restless and hot to touch, try Aconite 30C. It works best in early stages, especially after exposure to cold wind. अगर अचानक से बुखार चढ़ गया हो तो Aconite can help your child. If the child is sleepy, weak, with slow onset of fever, try Belladonna 30C is a great choice, especially with red face and throbbing head. Secondly, we talk about for cold, running nose and sneezing. If the cold starts with watery discharge and lots of sneezing, try Allium cepa 30C. Best when discharge burns the nose. If your child nose is blocked at night but runny in the day, try Nux vomica 30C is a great option. अगर रात को नाक बंद हो जाती हो तो नक्स vomica मददगार हो सकती है. Third, we talk about for cough. If your child has a dry barking cough, like जैसे लकड़ी को आरी से काटा जा रहा हो, तो मेडिसिन आएगी स्पॉन्जिया 30C. And if your child is suffering from deep whooping or spasmodic cough, which is worse at night, try Drosera 30C. But always remember, always give 3 to 5 pills or drops in 1.5 cup of water 2 to 3 times daily. Avoid strong smells during treatment. बच्चों के लिए होम्योपैथी एक सुरक्षित और नर्म उपचार है. अगर जब सही दवा सही समय पे मिले तो डेफिनेटली रिजल्ट मिलता है.